What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a cleaning video for you guys. I'm super excited. It has been a little while, or over a week, since I've filmed one. So anyway, today I'm going to be doing my whole house. I am going to start up here upstairs because I have to do some laundry and stuff, and then we'll clean up here and head downstairs and clean downstairs. So I want to also mention that this is a collab with Lauren Meagley. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. We have became close over the last few weeks. We chit chat, message each other, and all of that stuff. So she is also a stay-at-home mom of a new baby. I think her son Will is like 4 or 5 months. She does lifestyle videos just like my channel. She has a really awesome channel. I have just actually recently started watching it a couple months ago and realized how much she is relatable, and I just really like her videos and creativity. If you guys can go ahead and head over to her channel after my video.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from hidden sin. Where I need tonight. I run away.
So here I'm just going to go ahead and hang up some of our clothes, and I just kind of hang it on this little arrow that I got from Hobby Lobby a while back. I actually did a laundry like makeover type video, and you can check that out down below. So this is Shanam and Ava's suitcase, and let me know below, you guys, if you guys wash all of your things that come out of your suitcase when you come back from vacation, or do you hang up the clean clothes and then only wash the dirty clothes? Because that's what I do, but Shanam wanted me to wash the whole suitcase every time we go on a vacation, and I'm like, no. And we washed some of the clothes at his brother's house anyway, so I felt like we just need to wash the dirty clothes and then put back the clean clothes. I think that they're fine if they were like separated in the suitcase. I am going to be doing a toddler clothing declutter video or room declutter video soon because Ava has a lot of clothes that she's grown out of. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see something like that. And this aromatherapy shower bath stuff that I got from Bath & Body Works is amazing. It's like the stress one, and it is so amazing. You guys should definitely check it out. So I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile spray. I just went ahead and sprayed that all inside the shower, and then I'm going to go ahead and get in. It's just easier for me to get inside my tub and just scrub all around. And I did find that it's a lot easier to keep a cleaning routine, like a weekly cleaning routine or monthly cleaning routine, because if you guys are keeping up with your cleaning tasks, then the actual cleaning job, like once you have to clean, is a lot easier. You don't even have to put much of an effort because you're keeping up cleaning and you don't have a lot of buildup.
The skin is getting brown, baby. Drink your night away, maybe we will not regret it. You will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.
So what I'm doing here, you couldn't really see, is I was scrubbing just like the baseboard around the shower. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up the window just because even though these are like non-toxic products, I need fresh air kind of going through the bathroom when so many products at once. So when I went ahead and did back there, I don't know if you guys seen, is I went ahead and put the toilet bowl cleaner inside the toilet and kind of sprayed it and everything and just let it sit. And then I come back and I clean the sinks and the mirrors, and then I'll go back and clean the toilet.
Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Got me all around, baby. Do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, oh my wasted love. Hold you on the ground.
And I did get this toilet brush from Dollar Tree, and I'm not liking it at all. I'm definitely going to get some new ones because it's just too like bendy and cheap. It just doesn't work well for me, so I am going to be getting some new ones. And then what I'm doing here is I'm using these disinfectant wipes that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just cleaning the baseboard of the bathroom and kind of like do a quick mop kind of with the wipes on the floor.
Yeah, it's just me and you.
Alright you guys, so I just wanted to show you the realness of this mess that I have. We still have like our Christmas stuff from decorating all out. I have, let me turn this up a little. I have yet to put it away because hashtag mom life. And then this is actually stuff from traveling the other day when we traveled to Santa Monica and Disneyland and seen our family and stuff. So there's some things that I have to clean up down here.
We've been here before. A long story short, you walked out the door. Gotta get over myself. The drinks, they don't help. I've got to at least try. We're spinning out of control, and I've just got to know if I follow, will it turn the ship around? If I let go, will it leave me here to drown? Gotta get over myself, this can't be farewell. I've got to at least try. If I follow, will you turn the ship around? As I'm slowly sinking down. Just another night, just another fight. Will it be alright? 'Cause now you're out of sight. Gotta get over myself. The drinks, they don't help. I've got to at least try. I'm breaking up inside. Got to swallow my pride. If I follow, will it turn the ship around? If
So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands before I unload the dishwasher, and I'm using my Meyers I Love Pine. It is the Christmas scent. This is the whole Christmas package I got from Girls Collaborative. If you guys want to check out Girls Collaborative, I always have their links down below in the description box, and I actually get all of my cleaning products from there. And then I've actually started getting all of my paper towels from them.
as I'm slowly sinking down. Will you turn the
So another thing that I started doing is just filling up the sink. Like I'll put a little sink stopper and then I'll fill it up with sudsy or soapy water, and then I will just clean the dishes in there a little bit with the soapy water and then put them in the dishwasher. Because what I was doing before is I was kind of like running the water the whole time just to rinse each dish and then putting in the dishwasher, and that's just like really wasting a lot of water. So this way I can use some of my pine scents and give it an extra clean at the same time as not use any like running water. I really love this Mrs. Meyer's Christmas edition. I can't tell you how much the pine smell is amazing, and my house smells amazing. It's not overbearing or anything. So here I am doing like a DIY little microwave cleaner, so I don't have to use any products inside the microwave. I just add lemon to water and vinegar, and then I just stick it in the microwave and let it microwave for 5 minutes until it's boiling. So that helps really soften up like the grime inside your microwave, so then when you go in with a wet rag, you can just clean it really quick and voila, it's done. Like your microwave is clean, it's super easy, and I just love this all natural way. So what I like to do is multitask. So you'll kind of see me like doing one task or preparing one task and then going back and finishing another, just so I can like save on time. So that's why I just went ahead and ran the microwave and then went back and finished the stove, and then I'll go back and finish the microwave. Alright you guys, so I'm all done. I am in the kitchen, so there's going to be a little bit of an echo, but I'm super stoked. I got so much cleaning done today. Shanam is home because he's not feeling well today. He's kind of sick, so he was able to help with Ava. I've literally been cleaning for 5 hours today. Me and him just talked about how long it's been, and I like started at 11 and it's almost 4. I've been cleaning my butt off. I feel really good. The house smells good. It looks good. It's fresh. It's clean. No fingerprints, no dirties, nothing. So I feel awesome. So anyway, if you stayed till the end, go ahead and write Christmas down below in the comments. You can go over to Lauren's channel, show her some love, let her know I sent you, and check out our channel, subscribe, watch her video, all of that good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button on my video and go ahead and share with your friends, share on your Facebook, whatever. If you have any video requests for the Christmas season or the Christmas holiday, any kind of videos related to that, let me know in the comments below. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.